Hello dear students, welcome to Sargyan.com Career Guidance Portal. This is a tutorial about how to fill NDA 2021 application form. Visit the official website of UPSC. Click on Part 1 Registration. Read all the instructions before filling the application form. Then click on Yes. This is Part 1 Registration. You have to first enter your name, then select your gender, enter your date of birth, next enter your father's name, next enter your mother's name, next is your nationality, marital status, community, do you belong to minority, select yes or no. Next is your educational details, whether you have passed class 12 or appearing in class 12. Next is your address, write your complete address, your state, your district, pin code of your area. Next is mobile number, enter a valid mobile number. Next enter your valid email ID, and you have to again confirm your email ID. Click on continue. Next is photo ID card, select the photo ID card and also enter the photo ID card number. Next confirm your photo ID card number. Next is preferences for NDA and NA examination. You have to select preferences in the order 1, 2, 3, 4. For example, Army is your first preference, select 1 in front of Army. Air Force is your second preference, select 2nd in front of Air Force, and so on. Next is do you ever fail in CPSS or PABT test, select yes or no. Would you like to be considered for Air Force GDO, select yes or no. Whether a student of Sainik or military school, again select yes or no. And last question, whether son of JCO, NCO and studying in a Sainik military school, select yes or no. Then click on continue. You can either update your entries or continue. Then enter the CAPTCHA and click on I agree. Click on OK. Now you can see your registration ID is generated. You can note it down. You can print application part 1. Or you can click here for part 2 registration. Enter your registration ID and enter your date of birth. Enter the CAPTCHA and click on submit. Next is fee payment. You can choose any payment mode. Then click on continue. Now you have to enter your payment details and complete your payment. Now you can see the message, fee payment has been completed. Click on continue. Now you have to complete the part 2 of the registration. So click here for part 2. Again you have to log in by using your registration ID and date of birth. Again enter CAPTCHA and click on submit. Next is photo sign and photo ID card upload. Click on continue. First you have to upload your scanned photograph. Next you have to upload scanned signature. And last, your photo ID card document in the PDF format. Click on upload image. Now you can see your photo documents has been uploaded. Click on continue to proceed ahead. Next is again you have to enter your photo ID card number and select the examination center. You can only select one examination center. Next is declaration. Read the declaration and click on I have read declaration and agree. Now you can see all your application steps has been completed and your application is successful. Click on print application and this is your filled application form. If you have any other queries, you can ask us on survkyan.com. Thank you for watching.